Hi friends, in this video we'll be discussing about tricks to draw oxoacids of sulfur. So in order to draw oxoacids of sulfur, we have to remember a simple skeletal structure, that is this. This is called the, not only for a particular acid, for every acid of sulfur, for any oxoacid of sulfur, this is the skeletal structure. So then next we have to find the oxidation state on sulfur in that particular acid. Then next, based on that oxidation state, we have to identify whether it has sulfur linkage or sulfur oxygen linkage or oxygen sulfur linkage. We have to identify. So then, to identify those type of linkages present in that acid or not, I'll tell you 3 key points. Those are: if oxidation state is greater than 6, if same oxidation state is less than 6, oxidation state is equals to 6. Here why I took only 6 means maximum oxidation state of sulfur in any compound is equals to 6. That is, maximum oxidation state. It may exist more than 6 also, but maximum oxidation state of sulfur is 6, so I took here 6. If greater than oxidation state is greater than 6, it will have sulfur oxygen linkage, peroxide linkage is present greater than 6. If it is less than 6, it will have sulfur linkage. If it is equals to 6, it will have SOS linkage, that means sulfur oxygen sulfur. Identify the difference: oxygen sulfur oxygen. These are the key points for this video, you have to remember. So then next, I'll draw by taking an example, so that the point would be clear for you all too. First I have to find oxidation state. To minimize the time, I have in this acid we have to find whether it has what type of linkage. In this acid, what type of linkage is present, they will be asking you. So in order to find that, we have to find oxidation state now first. Found it before only, to minimize the time. Here oxidation state of sulfur in this acid is equals to +6. So if oxidation state is equals to 6 means it would have sulfur oxygen sulfur linkage based on those 3 key points I said: sulfur oxygen sulfur. So I'll be drawing now. Then next I have to distribute these remaining oxygens and hydrogens to these two sulfurs. Then next I have to distribute these two hydrogens also now. I'll give those hydrogens first to the singly bonded hydrogen oxygen atoms. You may ask why not to doubly bonded, but this is the trick. You have to give those hydrogens to the singly bonded hydrogen atom, oxygen atoms first. So this is the structure for this acid. So from this video you came to know that for this acid it has sulfur oxygen linkage. For example, I'll take another acid, H2S2O8. We'll do for this acid also. See, X is equals to 7. So its oxidation state is greater than 7. So it must have oxygen linkage. I'll draw now. Oxygen. So next two sulfurs are present. oxygen, two sulfurs are present. Then next I'll distribute remaining oxygens and hydrogens. Two oxygens over. Six, here 6, 7, 8 completed. Two hydrogens. So in this way you have to you may find and you have to identify too. So, and from this type of acids they may ask what is the basicity of that acid. What is the basicity means you have to see how many OH bonds are present in that acid. So for this acid H2S2O8 it has two OH bonds, so its basicity is equals to 2. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please click on like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.